So, I talked earlier about the annual survey we do of our first responder, the public safety community, and both their growing and continued interest in broadband. They use lots of commercial networks today, as the Admiral talked about, with priority services on those networks. But also, the milestone event, the FirstNet RFP responses are due coming up in May, with award anticipated by the end of the year. So obviously, that's a visionary thing that will be, started many years ago and will finally become reality. We're on the doorstep of that. So as from a vision perspective, we envision a FirstNet-enabled world where new capabilities will be brought to emergency responders on a broadband network dedicated to their use. Specifically built to provide that priority access to them when and where they need it. We envision, back to the results of the survey, the need to modernize and upgrade LMR networks as well. So we envision a world where those two technologies are used, at least during some transition period, as complementary technologies. And one of the things we're working on is how do we bring those two technologies together? How do we combine applications, things like presence, location and mapping, messaging across those two networks? So it really becomes a matter of putting the right device in the hands of the right user on the right network for them and the job that they're doing, but making sure that whether it's push-to-talk voice or text messaging between them, it doesn't matter which device they're using or which network they're on, they're able to interoperate with one another.
Yeah.